Okay, this is my take on Mario Batali's Italian cheeseburger or Italian burger. Needless to say, I watched it and wasn't impressed. Okay, so are you finally done bastardizing burgers?
Yeah.
Jesus, you've added olive oil every single chance you got,
What we've
and
made
now you
here
haven't
is
even
a
made a
pork
proper Juicy
pocket
Lucy.
burger with
The
mozzarella,
cheese is supposed to explode
acorn
out of the
squash
burger
mustard,
once you've made
tossed
it.
with a little bit of extra virgin olive oil.
Not
and some
whatever
cumin
this
seeds
is.
for
I don't know
adding
what you've
support
made,
with
but it's a
texture.
pile of shit. Okay, so the first thing we do is we make 2 3-ounce Italian sausage patties, because that's what he basically turned his ground pork into anyway, Italian sausage. So you take the deli-style mozzarella cheese, not the fresh crap, because that doesn't melt as well. And no, I don't give a fuck how many restaurants the goddamn guy has. Don't care. Don't bother bringing it up. Then you want to take the patties and you really want to press the edges together so the 2 patties become one. Then on a pan over medium heat, let's start cooking our burgers. Okay, so here we got one of our patties in our pan. I did add a little bit of peanut oil to the pan. If you can't have peanut oil for one reason or another, allergies or whatever, just use grapeseed oil. So it's a great oil. And then you just want to fry these up. The only seasoning I added extra was a little bit of salt and, of course, freshly ground black pepper. And that's it. All right, let's cook these patties. Okay, our burgers are coming along nicely. Just remember while you're cooking them to keep the lid on the pan. You need the steam for the cheese. Okie dokie. Got our nicely toasted bun. And I just added another slice of that mozzarella cheese I bought. And remember, always toast your buns. If you don't toast your buns, you're a fucking loser, and everyone will know you're a fucking loser. Then you want to add some marinara sauce to the top bun, and that's it. That's my Italian burger. Italian sausage, mozzarella cheese, marinara. But wait, here's the big difference. When you cut into my goddamn Italian Juicy Lucy, watch what happens. Well, first make sure you cut through the bottom bun. You see how the cheese is kind of oozing out there? You see that? That's what you're looking for. That's the difference. So that's my version of Mario Batali's Italian burger. Done. See, Mario, you want the cheese to ooze out. You want it to be melted inside the damn burger.